Good morning. I am Daniel Campillo, and I'm gonna talk about robotics. Well, robotics is a concept well known around the world. Most of the people has at least a vague idea of what a robot is, and their application and their potential. However, there are some misunderstandings related to the concept of a robot. For example, there is a generalized idea that the shape of a robot is always similar to the human's figure or the figure of an animal, which might lead people to think that these robots are only from fiction movies like iRobot, or from Japanese or Korean enterprises like Honda, that has a very popular robot named Asimo. But the term robotics does not only apply for such androids or human-shaped robots. It also applies for computer systems, sensory, and information processing. For example, we see here in the left-hand side uh, a robot that is similar to the scopes that the NASA has to explore the moon and Mars and Pluto and planets like that. Uh, they have to be developed with sensors and some intelligence that can process that information taken from the environment. Okay, this science deals with automated machines that can replace human in very dangerous and hard work environments, like different production factories or car factories, small tunnels where the humans are too big to fit in those places, and where there are threats of bombs or mines. For example, we see here a robot um, that is used for the army. So uh, these robots takes measurements from the ground and from the environment, and that allows soldiers to know if certain area has mines or bombs in the ground. Okay, there are many types of robots used in different situations for different purposes, but all of them share some similarities. Uh, one is one of them is the mechanical construction is made to interact with some specific environment. For example, in car factories, the robots are made to be in a high-risk environment. So the structure of these robots has to be strong and to deal with has to be strong to deal with other machines around. Or if it is about a robot to make subaquatic explorations, these robots has to assure that it won't destroy with the with a high pressure when it is under the water. Another characteristic is these robots have electrical components which power and control their machinery. It has also to power the sensor which the robot takes measurements from the environment. These electric components have also to move motors or some things like that. Another characteristic is that all robots contain some computer programming code, which gives them the intelligence to accomplish the task that which they are made for. Um, well, from this last point, I want to say that most of the robots nowadays are programmed with something called artificial intelligence. which allows them to learn more and more from the tasks that they are making. And we can see this artificial intelligence, for example, in Facebook. That is, when we label a friend of us in several pictures, Facebook has a software that learns from the characteristics of your friend. So in a next photo, when before you label your friend, it is already recommending you to label that friend. Uh, okay. And as a conclusion, um, electronic and mechanical engineers design robots, maintain them, and develop new applications for them and for us, because that is finally the purpose of a robot, to help people in the day-to-day tasks. And another thing that I must say is robots have in the last years have become very popular and have become a very popular tool of learning in high schools and universities, increasing the interest in programming and development of these devices. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.